Which instrument is used to measure the diameter of the coil of wire in the resistivity experiment? A. Screw gauge. B. Ammeter. C. Voltmeter. D. Meter scale. The correct answer is A. Screw gauge. Which Chola ruler is mentioned as matching his father in expanding the empire? A. Vijaya Chola. B. Karikala Chola. C. Kulothunga. D. Rajendra Chola I. The correct answer is D. Rajendra Chola I. Who returned to Persia without achieving his end after the battle in Salamis? A. King Darius' successor. B. King Darius. C. A Spartan king. D. A Persian general. The correct answer is A. King Darius' successor. Based on the activity, which object would likely cause the bulb to glow? A. Matchstick. B. Hairpin. C. Rubber. D. Wooden scale. The correct answer is B. Hairpin. What is the maximum compensation claimed for cases handled by the District Consumer Disputes Redressal Forum? A. 1 crore rupees. B. 10 lakhs rupees. C. 20 lakhs rupees. D. 50 lakhs rupees. The correct answer is C. 20 lakhs rupees. How many committees was the Military Department Board split into? A. 100 committees. B. 30 committees. C. 5 committees. D. 6 committees. The correct answer is D. 6 committees. Which of the following is a direct consequence of the leech's ability to prevent immediate pain sensation? A. The bite area becomes inflamed quickly. B. The wound heals faster than normal. C. The leech can feed undetected for longer. D. The host develops a fever. The correct answer is C. The leech can feed undetected for longer. The text implies that certain objects are affected by what from magnets? A. Their light emission. B. Their heat. C. Their sound waves. D. Their magnetic field. The correct answer is D. Their magnetic field. What was established instead of taking a hard line against disruptionists? A. A Commonwealth of Independent States. B. A unified military command. C. An economic alliance with Western powers. D. A new Soviet republic. The correct answer is A. A Commonwealth of Independent States. What happens to the volume of a substance during a change of state? A. It remains constant. B. It always decreases. C. It always increases. D. It changes. The correct answer is D. It changes. If the distance between the light source and object decreases, what likely happens to the shadow size? A. It increases. B. It disappears. C. It decreases. D. It remains the same. The correct answer is A. It increases. What shape was the recessive seed in Mendel's pea plant experiments? A. Tall. B. Wrinkled. C. Yellow. D. Round. The correct answer is B. Wrinkled. Which feature is found in the west of India, contributing to its geographical diversity? A. Beautiful beaches. B. Great Indian Desert. C. Majestic Himalayan peaks. D. Breathtaking natural heritage. The correct answer is B. Great Indian Desert. What was the primary fear in West Berlin regarding the Soviets? A. Cultural assimilation. B. Economic collapse. C. Political espionage. D. Military invasion. The correct answer is D. Military invasion. Which institution is associated with BT assistant S. Rajesh N. Kaveri? A. University of Madras. B. Madura College of Arts and Science. C. JHSS, Vangnur. D. IIT campus. The correct answer is C. JHSS, Vangnur. What did colonies become after India declared independence? A. Territories. B. Provinces. C. States. D. Districts. The correct answer is C. States. What was the name of Shivaji's aged mother? A. Rani Lakshmibai. B. Ahilyabai Holkar. C. Jijabai. D. Tarabai. The correct answer is C. Jijabai. What is the response of a plant part to light called? A. Phototropism. B. Hydrotropism. C. Chemotropism. D. Geotropism. The correct answer is A. Phototropism. What is the unit of surface tension? A. Nm2. B. Nm. C. N asterisk M. D. N asterisk S. The correct answer is B. Nm. Which entity is responsible for protecting a nation from its enemies? A. Union government. B. State governments. C. Private security firms. D. Local municipalities. The correct answer is A. Union government. What are minute openings on the leaves of plants? A. Twigs. B. Lenticels. C. Stomata. D. Barks. The correct answer is C. Stomata. What is the C unit for resistivity? A. Ampere. B. Siemens. C. Volt. D. Ohmmeter. The correct answer is D. Ohmmeter. What types of objects are mentioned as being excavated to understand early human life? A. Office supplies. B. Computer parts. C. Objects used by the early man. D. Modern tools. The correct answer is C. Objects used by the early man. What was the southern boundary of the region where the 16 states arose? A. Godavari River. B. Krishna River. C. Kaveri River. D. Tungabhadra River. The correct answer is A. Godavari River. What types of rights did the working class movements demand? A. Political rights only. B. Economic and political rights. C. Cultural rights only. D. Social rights only. The correct answer is B. Economic and political rights. What gas do plants take in during respiration? A. Nitrogen. B. Hydrogen. C. Carbon monoxide. D. Oxygen. The correct answer is D. Oxygen. Who was nominally in command of the large guns in the Maratha army? A. British officers. B. Maratha officers. C. Portuguese officers. D. French officers. The correct answer is B. Maratha officers. How are volcanoes sometimes formed in relation to tectonic plates? A. When plates collide. B. When plates subduct. C. When plates slide past each other. D. When plates move apart. The correct answer is D. When plates move apart. Which of the following is not listed as a derived quantity example? A. Mass. B. Density. C. Area. D. Volume. The correct answer is A. Mass. Which country is mentioned as an example where aurora australis appears? A. New Zealand or Falkland. B. Norway. C. Canada. D. Russia. The correct answer is A. New Zealand or Falkland. How did you score?